who, whom. These are examples of relative pronouns. Relative pronouns introduce relative clauses, and relative clauses make it clear which person or thing we are referring to in a sentence, or they can be used to provide extra information about the noun. In today's class, we are going to learn when to use who and when to use whom. Who. Who is used when you're referring to the subject in the sentence. This is the person that is doing the action. We can use it when providing extra information about the subject in the sentence, or when you are asking about the subject. An easy way to identify when you need to use who is if you can replace the pronoun with he, she, or they, then use who. Or if you can answer the question with he, she, or they, then you can also use who. Let's go through a few examples. Ali is my friend who is a teacher. Here, we can replace the pronoun. We can say, Ali is my friend, he is a teacher. Who rang the doorbell? We can answer this question with, he rang the doorbell, she rang the doorbell, or they rang the doorbell, depending on who rang the doorbell. Whom. Whom is used when referring to the object. This is the receiver of the action. We can use whom when providing extra information about the object in the sentence, or when you are asking about the object. Again, an easy way to know when you need to use whom is if you can replace the pronoun with him, her, or them, or if you can answer the question with him, her, or them. For example, Ali is the man whom I told you about. Here we can restructure the sentence to say, Ali is the man I told you about him. We can't say, Ali is the man I told you about he. It doesn't make sense. Another example is, to whom did you give the notebook? The answer to this question would be, I gave the notebook to her, or I gave the notebook to him, depending on who you gave the notebook to. Now let's go through another example. Amy gave Sally a pen. We can ask, who or whom gave Sally a pen? So now, think about which one you would use. Would you use who or whom? Again, we can identify how we would answer the question. We can say, she gave Sally a pen. She. Because we use she, we can add who. Who gave Sally a pen? Another example is if we ask, who or whom did Amy give the pen? Let's think about how we would answer this question. We would say, Amy gave the pen to her. Because we use her, we can insert to whom. To whom did Amy give the pen?